Just a walk along the side of the canal up to Camden. We've seen this from got the train track behind us, which is the main London Euston line, and we've seen this place, set a Pirates Castle. It's pretty cool looking. Obviously plenty of graffiti in the area. It's just something different. I assure you that Camden, where we're going, the shopping is quite quirky. Anything from a Hansel and Gretel style, basically sweet shop, to a Moomin store, to Cyberdog, which is one of the main reasons I want to come out. That is out of this world for raves and trance sort of stuff. Not that I'm into it really, it's just the setup of the place. Plenty of quirky eateries, live music, locks.
I think you're dead.
People say it's very much a happening place, if that makes sense. Beautiful to look at. Okay, welcome to Camden, quirkiness central. Totally bizarre, strange little outlet shops. Not your general average run-of-the-mill sort of stuff. Sunglasses shop, pretty quirky. Iconic pub right there, the World's End. It's got so many different styles. You go downstairs, you go through cobbled streets, you've got a gothic-y area. Really, really strange place to try. Bizarre place. This all used to be an old stables down here and they've just converted it into a market. Who fancies a challenge? Wow. Here we go, here's Cyberdog. Things are about to get a bit crazy. This gives off your vibes of your trance, your dance music of the early 90s to modern day. These girls dancing up here, they have guys up there as well. It's a regular thing, they swap over, it continues, and this is just a complete happening place. Weren't so bright, I'd probably get one. They are super cool. This place is just mad. Like a Dalek. Yeah, certainly got the Dalek vibes to it. That is seriously 80s, early 90s shell suit. Wow. Nothing like a candy store. Yeah, the smell in here is absolutely unbelievable. Definitely got the Orlando vibes. You can smell it here. Just donuts, sugar, candy. It's absolutely brilliant. You can walk around this place for hours, take a different turn each time, probably totally get lost. There's so many bizarre little boutiques. Really picturesque and really, really beautiful. the incredibly weird, quirky, bizarre even Camden Market. Hope you like Cyberdog. Things did get a bit weird in there. Couldn't film right immediately at the far bit of the downstairs because that's all your, should we say, kinky stuff. We're now off to the West End, so I might do a bit of filming there, but as we go, we'll finish the vlog for here. I hope you've enjoyed our London trip. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. I'm absolutely shattered. I think we've done probably about 10 miles so far, and yeah, we'll see you in the movies. Have a great weekend. Catch you later, guys. Bye.